Today we're going to install a linear WS15Z wall mount switch. This switch allows you to remotely turn on or off loads connected to the switch and is easily wired in place of a standard wall switch. The WS15Z can be used remotely to control any device that does not require dimming, such as lighting, ceiling fans, or in light appliance applications. Before starting any project, you should make sure that the power is turned off at the breaker box so there is no safety hazard whatsoever inside the junction box. Remember, in a multi-gang situation, there may be more than one breaker for the box, so be sure to check. Test the circuit to ensure the power is off. To begin installation of the WS15Z, remove the existing wall plate and switch. When removing the old switch, make note of the wire configuration inside the junction box. Typically, the hot is a single black wire, while the load could be multiple wires controlling multiple fixtures, all being controlled by the same device. Be sure to cap the black hot wire with a wire nut for safety and identification purposes later in the installation. Leave the load wires bare. The wall mount switch comes with pre-stripped wires for your convenience. The white wire is the neutral, the black wire is hot, the green wire is the ground, and the blue wire is to control the load. The first step is to attach the green ground wire with the bare copper ground wires utilizing a wire nut, making sure it's tight. The next step is attaching the white neutral wire. Again, you will attach the wires using a wire nut. Be careful not to over-twist the wire nuts, as you can strip the threads inside. Next, connect the blue wire on the switch to the load wire. The load wire is the wire that goes to the lighting device itself. Finally, connect and secure the black hot wire. You'll notice I give a little tug to the wire nuts to make sure that they are secure on the wires. Carefully place all of the wires back inside the junction box, making sure that all the wire nuts stay connected. Now it's time to mount the switch. The WS15Z has an LED that should be located at the bottom of the device when mounted. The green LED light will indicate if the circuit is off. This also serves as a night light, so you can find the switch in the dark. Once the switch is mounted, you can replace the wall plate. After the wall plate is mounted, the installation is complete and you can now turn the power back on at the breaker box and test the circuit. The WS15Z makes an excellent addition to any home automation system and has the ability, utilizing the Z-Wave RF technology, to control the load on that switch. It can be controlled manually by any gateway, controller, or mobile application.